it's me, Ella Patricia here, and welcome back to my channel, of course. Okay, I'm just gonna fix the camera. Okay, so it's currently 12:22 a.m. 26th of September 2022, and I'm gonna go to Apple Education, and I really want to buy iPad for education purpose. Hi, I'm back after almost 3 weeks of recording the first clip, and here I am today. I'm back with the packages that I've been waiting for, and shall we begin? Hi! Oh my god, it's starting! Oh my god. English. Okay. Hi! So I just unpacked my iPad, and this is it. I'm really happy with my achievement because I've always wanted an iPad after SPM, and finally I got it, and I'm so proud of myself for this. So this is the iPad casing that I bought from Shopee, and also they will give you free stickers so that you guys can just decorate at the back of the casing. And if you guys want the link, I will share it in the description box down below. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at the engraving. Okay, it's not focusing. Let me try to use the back camera. Okay, so this is the engraving that I applied on my Apple Pencil, and I also apply an Apple engraving on my iPad. Look at that. The fact that the iPad is in purple, which is my favorite color, that's why I really love it so much. And this is actually, I think I'm done talking. So this is it.